the greatest of all time. Well, yes, he's here in India. It's not every day that royalty arrives in India, and the nation has now turned electric. But what we are talking about and what we are witnessing may surpass even the frenzy of Michael Jackson's visit in the late 90s, if you would remember. Now, this time it is the king of football himself. Lionel Messi has been hailed as many as an undisputed greatest of all time, and he's in India for a 3-day visit. Well, let's get you what's going to happen now today as far as his arrival in India is concerned. Ahead of his meeting, we're looking at King Khan, who has now reached Kolkata. And this is even more special. One is a Bollywood superstar and one is a football superstar. And Shah Rukh Khan himself is going to be welcoming Messi. So this is going to be a big development there as far as his visit is also concerned, because Shah Rukh Khan himself has now arrived in Kolkata, and he has also posted on social media to say that, see you guys, as far as Messi is now visiting the city of joy, as Kolkata is often known as. And let's connect with Shivam on this. Well, Shivam, are you yourself a football fan, and are you excited that Messi has arrived now in India?
Who isn't, Amita, especially the kind of dedication that he has shown. He has inspired the generation. It's a sunny blue morning in Kolkata. Sunny because the sun is out, and blue because the Argentinian fans, the Messi fans are here adorning that iconic World Cup winning jersey. You can see the long queue of fans which is here for almost 2 hours. It's still 2 hours to start the event, but you are seeing this is just the one gate. There are almost 15 gates, and it is the same story on every gate. The excitement on their face, the tickets in their hand, and only one thing that they want to watch is to see their icon just do a little dribble for them. And you can see the entire arena also completely filled with the fans here. And I would also urge my camera person to just, show the legacy that there are people who are above 50 also here, and people who are in their teenage are also here. We have with us somebody who is here to connect, to see Messi all the way from Bangalore. Sir, what is your name first of all, please?
I'm Savio, I'm from Bangalore.
You're from Bangalore?
And, yeah.
When did you reach here, sir?
Yeah, I reached yesterday night from the train.
Yesterday night?
Yeah.
Did you take a flight or train?
No, I luckily, it's a blessing in disguise that I got the train tickets.
You got a train ticket, not a flight ticket?
Yeah, if it was flight, I would definitely miss once in a lifetime opportunity.
Okay. So, and how excited are you now to see Lionel Messi?
Yeah, I'm very excited. First of all, I'm very excited to come into the city of joy, which gives me a lot of happiness. And to see Messi, it's a really, in Tamil they say, Pullatiki, that is, I'm feeling very excited. Goosebumps.
Having goosebumps right now.
Yeah. Just seeing the crowd here and being excited to be here in this place.
So you have seen somebody who is a 50-year-old who has seen the generation, and now I would urge my camera person to come. He is a guy who is 19-year-old. Bhai, क्या नाम है आपका और आप कहाँ से आए हैं?
रहमानुल हक, मैं आया हूँ ये मुर्शिदाबाद से।
मुर्शिदाबाद से आप यहाँ पर आए हैं। कितना एक्साइटेड है मेसी को देखने के लिए, और आपके लिए फेवरेट मोमेंट क्या है मेसी?
मोमेंट एक बार देखने के लिए वो बहुत तरस रहा हूँ मैं, वो बहुत दिन से वेट कर रहा हूँ।
कितना टाइम पहले टिकट बुक किया था आपने? टिकट बहुत पहले बुक हो गए थे।
हाँ,
3 महीने पहले आपने टिकट बुक किया था जस्ट टू एक ग्लिम्स देखने के लिए मेसी का।
एक
इतने बड़े फैन है आप?
हाँ, मैं बहुत बड़ा फैन।
और अभी अंदर कितने, अभी कब इसी गेट से जा रहे हैं, कैसे जा रहे हैं?
हाँ, टिकट से जाएंगे अब।
इसी गेट से अंदर जा रहे हैं। So you were listening to the two generations, literally generations apart, but have only one dream today. Everybody is a football fan today. Everybody is just waiting to see the La Pugatas, the person who has led Argentina, the person who has led Barcelona to many victories. Just see a small dribble from him. Although he'll be meeting the Bollywood icon Shah Rukh Khan, the CM Mamata Banerjee is also expected to be here. And again, the security is also in charge currently here. There is a heightened security across the Salt Lake area because it is expected that around 80,000 to 1 lakh people are supposed to be here. In 2011, 50,000 people attended the event when he played the game. Although today there is no game that he will be playing, he will be part of the corporate event. But for now, the excitement in the air is exhilarating, and we will be giving...
just coming to India itself is exciting, whatever event that he participates. But there is a reason why he's called GOAT, the greatest of all time. And it is very true as far as when it comes to the sentiments of the fans, that when they say that meeting or seeing Messi is like the goosebumps feelings that they have been getting, and booking their tickets for the last past several months, only to wait for this very moment that they can catch a glimpse of the legend himself. Shivam, we'll just come back to you, because talking about the itinerary, let's take you through exactly what's going to happen today, because this is going to be a 3-day visit. And on the 13th of December, well, this is going to be in Kolkata, where he has already arrived in the city of joy. There is going to be a meet and greet event at about 10:30 a.m. He will be visiting the Salt Lake Stadium, where Shivam was currently reporting from. And then Bengali stars are also expected to visit and also to welcome Messi. And of course, right from the stars that we're looking at, Saurav Ganguly, Leander Paes, and also the likely meeting with Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. So it's going to be a pretty much star-studded affair. And as I said, Shah Rukh Khan has already arrived in Kolkata. So let's talk about the next day, Hyderabad, 7 p.m. already on the same day, rather, in the evening, that he would be arriving, and he will be visiting the Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium. A friendly match with Chief Minister Reddy. So there is a Reddy 11 and there is a Messi 11 that would be facing off. And he will be then attending the Congress government's anniversary event as well. So a little bit as far as when it comes to his participation in other events are also concerned. Thereafter, he would be in the financial capital in Mumbai, and he will be attending a Paddle Goat Cup. And later, he will be visiting the Wankhede Stadium, and several Bollywood celebrities and sports stars are expected to attend. And later, it's going to be in Delhi, the national capital, at around 1 p.m. He will be visiting the Arun Jaitley Stadium. And Messi is also likely to call on Prime Minister Narendra Modi before he wraps up his India visit. Let's listen in to more excitement as far as the fans, because the excitement is infectious, it is palpable, and what the fans are now saying as they look forward to catch a glimpse of the legend himself.
By waking up at late night, skipping hours, days, and now here I am at India from the neighboring country Nepal. I am feeling very good, and thank you for Nepal. From Nepal, thank you to India, thank you to Kolkata. I have bought a ticket of Messi just to see him. Just to see him with my eyes, and that was the biggest dream. And also I want to mention my family, my father, my brother, and my mother, who gave me the permission and who makes my dream come true. Without them, without my family, I am no one.
सारे मैचेस देखते हैं, और मैं तो अपने दोस्त से ही जानता था कि फुटबॉल क्या है, क्योंकि मैं पहले फुटबॉल को इतना फॉलो नहीं करता था जितना इसने मेरे को करा है. और फिर जब से मैंने फुटबॉल देखा है, एक ही चीज है, मुझे पता नहीं ये ऊपर वाले का रहे में या क्या है. जब मैंने देखना स्टार्ट किया, तो एक ही प्लेयर था जिससे मैं बहुत अट्रैक्ट हुआ, और वो है लायनल एंड्रेल मेसी. उनसे बेटर प्लेयर आज तक मैंने नहीं देखा, उनसे बेटर पर्सोना मैंने आज तक नहीं देखा. और एक मतलब ऑरा बोलते हैं, उनके अंदर भर के कभी भी.
The greatest in football, the greatest sports person to ever live across all sports.
So this is the highly anticipated GOAT tour that Lionel Messi has arrived in India, and we'll be keeping our viewers updated, especially when it comes to the excited fans and what they have to say. Shivam is joining us from the Salt Lake Stadium there in West Bengal. Thank you, Shivam. We'll connect again with you. But of course, for all of the updates and what Messi is going to do on his India visit, we'll be getting you the live updates back after a short break.